Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So today our topic we are going to upgrade our one and other old project for Flutter moving to latest version. As you see, this is the 2.7.0, very old version. When I was learning Flutter, that was the early stages of project that was I created myself. So we are going to upgrading on this project. So if I try to upgrade PubGet, so it will give me error. As you see, it will give me this error to enable null safety as well, the current SDK 2.3 and support null safety. So what we are going to do and how we are going to upgrade it this one. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, in previous my videos I already shared some kind of sort of commands that I am using for upgrading. So first of all, we need to change it here. That is our SDK version, that is 4.0.0, and then change here 3.1.3. This is I think so the latest version that is currently running. So once I will reconfirm it again. So once we PubGet, as you see, this is here our old version, and we are also going to upgrade this one and try to run this one on our own emulator. First of all, we need to clear all these kind of different kinds of that we are using. Action theme applies like this one. These kinds of error we are going to fix first of all, then we are going to complete this one. Okay, so after getting PubGet, we need to first of all run some kind of commands that make helpful for us. Like this is .migrate, it will help us to migrating. .pub upgrade model null safety, and it will display it. First of all, I move here and paste it here, and using the current .2.9 migrate to null safety. Okay, the model null safety option longer not supported. Okay, so it will say this is the we just move this one and hit this command, and it will be start upgrading the whole project. Once it's done, okay, so it will say we upgrade to this one. Okay, so continue. We are going to change 0.6 and then 4.6.26. and here is Flutter awesome, and where is that is 10.7. Here is the version that we are going to upgrade, and we are going to PubGet again. It's going on resolving. Okay, so he will almost PubGet everything. So what we need to do, and here is the style. First of all, here is move to style. As you say, accent color theme is gonna remove, and we are also going to remove this one, and our first error gonna remove. Okay, so then first of all, I move to here, that is app bar. I am using that was as it was on the early stages. I already show you, and this is very old project. So what I am going to do here, I'm just applying null safety, and here is the build context. I set it to required, and here is title, and if there is title empty, I default set here empty string. So our app bar issue is gonna clear, and list creator. Okay, so I just add the required keyword on the first one. If you want to make it as optional, that up to you. So for quickly I fixing these bugs. I'm trying to fix these kinds of bugs, and then we are simply moving add required, description, and the function. I make a void callback and make it optional. Here is our callback function, and I'm gonna making this one optional. Okay, so after the UI, here is the categories dot, and as you see, this is the tab value, and I will provide the default value. Tab value is equal to 0. On here the category title, and as you see this is a very old project, so I'm just making optional this one also again. Hopefully this don't any kind of issue for me. Okay, so here is on tab and the void function. Okay, so here is function we just set here void callback. We change the data types of on tab function to void callback. Okay, so here is the title error, and the default as usual I already do default I set string here is empty. So here is elevated button that is required on crash, so we set here on crash. The bottom sheet scaffold bottom sheet, that is the button container, and we are providing to on crash and show packages. And also we are moving to our models, going to update our models. So here is I'm also going to make an optional again, and here is our category model. So I'm also going to make it optional because I don't know which variables is depending on everything and billing invoice. And okay, so it's string count type E2. Okay, so title we default provide here this one, and here this one. Here we go, our completely I think so all the things are going or done. So once we run it on our emulator. So where is our emulator? Here I just make it small and display with the emulator, and we are going to change it on also as well Android side for the complete running. First of all, we are trying to run this, is just changing on Flutter side, it will successfully run or not. As you see, this was show me conflicts and Java conflicts, and try to upgrading itself and upgrading Gradle and run. So what we do, first of all, we just simply move here on the Android side, and his build.gradle, as you see, this is the minimum SDK version we can set here 25, and the target version we set here 34, because we are going to moving it to latest version. And here we are changes over here. Okay, so it's done. And after that we are going to also change as well Kotlin version 8.20. So once we update, and we will set here JCenter to replace it one, and here is 4.1.3. we are just, that was the latest version 7.1.3. So we are just moving this one. Okay, so hopefully we done everything. One thing more, that is the 7.6.1. we just change it to 7.5 and just done. Here we go. So hopefully it's gonna start and installation on everything. Once it's done, we will see. So that is quite easy for upgrading our old project. So that will depend on the, because this is very small. Oh, as you see, it will throw me error. Okay, so let me check what is error going on in IntelliJ IDEA Flutter assets. Okay, so first of all, we should have to Flutter clean run command Flutter clean once and pubget and run it again. Okay, so I pubget it, and now I'm trying to run it again. Okay, so going on running. Hopefully I did not get any errors. So person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to watch this kind of video. Okay, so it will give me an error, that is the app manifest file issue. Okay, so what is the error? Yeah, there is Android exported. So we should have to set in Android manifest. we just move to app, src and main, and here is our Android manifest, and we set here just only on and set it here to true, and hopefully after this one it's going on start installation. Meanwhile, the guys who are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. So and tell me which kind of next video you want. So I will help to you. And most of the guys drop me a text message, and how we can connect with you. In the description, I already added my LinkedIn profile and as well my Insta link. So you can guys try to reach me over there and drop me any message. Hey, I am facing this kind of issue and please help me resolve. So I will help to you resolve that kind of issue. As you see, this is our own project. I upgraded to latest one, and it will successfully run on Android side as well. So if you want to, here is the running of iOS version. So I will create a video for you. That one, just drop me a comment. As you see, click here on category, so it will just on animal to dog and property sales. So I'm getting this one. Thank you very much guys for watching this kind of video.